Okay, what do we have from Kutech? It's like a PlayStation 4 charging station. PlayStation 4 charging station.
I think
it's gonna be hard to see because it's all black.
Nope. You plug this, you just put that straight down, or yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
And you just have to plug that in right there.
And
so
those
that,
get charged, and
yeah, so that whenever you
and this gets cooled.
Actually plug this in, the back port is right here. It stands up like that.
Alright.
And you just gotta.
And this came with extra, what did you say these are? It's for the
it's for the sticks.
Controller?
Yeah.
Goes on the sticks. 4 of each. Is it on?
Well, it looks like right as soon as you turn it out, I want everything just starts running.
Oh, and the fan's on already. You can't even hear it.
And then there's the extra hubs.
Is it on?
Well, it's blue.
You could barely hear it.
And that's charging.
It's pretty dark, but that's it. Very nice. And I believe that could fit down there if you wanted it to. So I think that's the only drawback, is it being standing up straight like that. You couldn't put it in a smaller cabinet.
Yeah, but you can put it to the side of your television just like that.
It'll make it last longer, right? Keeping it cool?
Yeah, it'll make the PlayStation 4 last longer so that it doesn't overheat and you don't have to buy a new one.
So with all the hubs, there's a total of 4 USB?
There's a total of 3 of those, and then there's 2 of the actual controller chargers.
2 chargers. Alright, well that's cool. Do you like it?
Yeah. Thanks.
Alright. Well, thank you. It's a thumbs up here. I believe it's going to be 5 stars, with the only drawback being that you couldn't store it in a flat area, because it's still small, it's just straight up. And that is not an eyesore at all. Very good. Very happy. Thank you very much. Any questions, just leave a comment below. I will get back to you usually within 24 hours. Thank you.